рӯзи модар дар синфҳои чоруми муассисаи таҳсилоти миёнаи умумии рақами 15 ба забони англисӣ ҷараён гирифт. воқеан омӯзгорону хонандагони ин дабистон барои тараннуми модар беҳтарин суруду тарона, саҳначаҳо ва лаҳзаҳои мусиқиро омода намуданд, ки аз тарафи иштирокчиён бо кафкӯбиҳои бардавом пазируфта шуд. омӯзгории забони англисии ин дабистон Мушаррафа Нурублоева зимни ифтитоҳии маҳфили идона бори дигар дар бораи мақоми зан модар сухан гуфт ва изҳор дошт, ки барномаи идонаи сано ба модар ба забони англисӣ омода шудааст.
Good day to everybody. I welcome all of you. First of all, I want to congratulate all the mothers and women with their holiday. I wish you all the happiness in the world. As you can see, today we have an English party. Please enjoy our party.
Здравствуйте, дорогие гости! Сегодня особенный день, праздник мамы. Мама – это самый родной и близкий человек для всех людей. Когда мы рядом с ней, мы чувствуем себя в безопасности. Если нам грустно, мама поддержит и согреет своей теплотой. Мама очень трудолюбивая и умелая. Наша мама самая лучшая. Надо уважать матерей. С праздником всех вас!
M is for the million things she gave me.
O means only that she is growing old. T is for tears she shed to save me. H is for her heart of purest gold.
E is for eyes with light shining.
R means right and right. She will always be.
Put them all together, they spell mother, and what that means they want to me.
I am so thankful and blessed for having special mother like you. I respect you a lot. I love my mommy.
Mom, words are never enough to thank you for all that you do.
Happy Mother's Day to the best mom in the whole world. Happy Mother's Day to a wonderful woman who is inspiration for us all.
Happy Mother's Day, you are my role model, mentor and favorite.
There is no one like a mother, and no mother quite like you. You are so very thoughtful and caring, and just want to thank you, Mother, for making my life brighter.
Happy Mother's Day to the mom who helped me blossom into the person I am today.
Happy Mother's Day, my mom, my friend, my angel. I am so proud to be your kid.
I am fine, thanks. What about you? What are you thinking about?
Today is a Mother's Day, and I'm thinking about how to congratulate my mother and how to get her happy.
Oh, I forgot about this day. Let's make presents for our mothers together.
Let's go.
Happy Mother's Day, my dear mommy.
Oh, thank you, my dears. You're my angels. You make me so happy. I never forget this moment. Thank you, my girls. Happy holidays to you too.
Thank you, my girls.
I like the way you cook. I like the way you cook. Now that I really want to say is Happy Mother's Day.
Who loves mommy best? I says Fred. I give her flowers, white, yellow, and red.
Just one little wish for you, but is loving and happy and true. It's a wish that the nicest and best things will always keep coming to you.
Mother, I love you for all that you do. I'll kiss you and hug you, 'cause you love me too.
Who loves mommy best? I says May. With my dear mommy, I always play.
My mom is nice. I love her eyes. My mom is good. I love her food.
Mother is busy from morning till night. Keep her family happy and bright.
As a mom like you, too, love year after year. You, my mother, I will have no other.
Who loves mommy best? I says Joe. She asked me to help and I always do so.
چشمه‌های کوهسارانم بزه как с тобой тепло.
Я молюсь ночами, чтобы ты жила, чтобы ты здоровой, мамочка, была.
Жизнь мне подарила мамочка моя. Больше всех на свете я люблю тебя.
Мама.